guys, hope you all are doing great and wonderful and making your quarantine very productive. And if not, then this video is here to give you some beneficial points on being aesthetic in pics. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. So first of all, aesthetic is concerned with beauty or art, and there's a way to achieve both by knowing few tips and tricks to hit the bullseye. In this, my very first video, I'll explain you few tips how you can use it on yourself, and also on the last there will be a bonus tip which will show you the real reason of a beautiful picture. The first and the foremost tip is using sunlight rather than flash, and you always know colorful aesthetic is the most eye-pleasing content. Yeah, and flash lowers the rate of saturation. Natural light makes you look fresh, warm, etc. And the best natural light you can get is on 9 am morning and during sunset, as the sunlight is very charming and gives you the required look for the picture. For taking pictures, you should always know what will be your background according to your outfit, because a good picture includes a good theme. And for aesthetic contents, you can simply go for constants, for example nature, a simple wall, or maybe you can move to oldies kind of things like a telephone, etc., which you can use as a prop. And also explore yourselves by knowing which theme suits you, whether 80s or futuristic style. Similar to the flash demerit, a bad angle can make your good picture look shabby and ruin the theme. So focusing on the angle plays a major role. According to me, the lower angle is suited the best among all, but yeah, it varies accordingly. Editing is probably one of the greatest success when it comes to aesthetic photos. You should always keep in mind the editing must be according to your theme. Here is an example of my pic with and without editing. So you saw, editing gives a pop effect to your pic and the result you want. So try your hand in editing to give it an aesthetic feel. The last and the most important tip which will make your picture incredibly beautiful and eye-catching, which is being comfortable and confident. Yeah, my advice to you is be comfortable and confident when it comes to you and your posture. Remember, your pics defines your mental physique, so always try to portray uniqueness. So that's all in this video. Hope you all found this content helpful, and if yes, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also we will meet in the next video very soon. Bye.